Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of Arduino pins and their uses in simple projects. Whether you are a beginner or just refreshing your knowledge, this will give you a clear understanding of how to work with the different pins on an Arduino board. Let's start by looking at the different pins on an Arduino board. Arduino pins are the main points where you can connect external components like LEDs, sensors, and motors to the microcontroller. First, we have the power pins. These are used to supply power to your external components. The most common power pins are 5 volts and 3.3 volts. They provide the voltage needed for components like sensors and displays. The GND or ground pin completes the circuit and is used in almost every project. Next are the digital pins. These are numbered from D0 to D13 on most Arduino boards. Digital pins can be used to send or receive a digital signal, meaning they can either be on high or off low. For example, you can connect an LED to a digital pin and control when it turns on or off using code. Similarly, you can connect a button to read whether it's pressed or not. Then we have the analog pins. The analog pins, labeled A0 to A5, are different from digital pins because they can read a range of values, not just on or off. These are useful for sensors that provide a variable output, like temperature or light sensors, where the input changes gradually. Some of the pins have special functions. For example, digital pins with a tilde next to them, such as D3, D5, and D6, are capable of PWM or pulse width modulation. This means they can be used to simulate an analog output, like dimming an LED. Additionally, the TX and RX pins are used for serial communication, which allows your Arduino to communicate with other devices like sensors or even your computer. So that's a basic overview of Arduino pins. You have power pins to supply power, digital pins to send and receive on-off signals, and analog pins to read varying input values. Understanding these is key to building successful Arduino projects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more tutorials and project ideas. Thanks for watching.